Hi, I hope you have a good day. I have to tell you something about Mother of Thousands plant or Kalanchoe Daigremontianum. Also known as Mexican hat plant, devil's backbone, alligator plant. Its name comes from its ability to produce tons of tiny babies, or pups, along the leaf edges. It should be noted that all parts of the Mother of Thousands plant are poisonous and can be fatal if ingested by small animals or infants. So be careful not to put it in your mouth. Thank you for watching and don't forget to follow for more videos.